Hello friends, today I'm going to make a puppet. But before that, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I will give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Thank you guys for subscribing. Now let's hop into our video. First, fold the A4 paper like this and then cut it into 2 pieces. What ruler? Okay, now I have my ruler back. Let's continue. Now fold the edge of the A4 paper and then cut it again. Now you can see the shape of triangle. Fold both sides of the paper. After that, you fold it edge to edge. Now fold it this side, turn it upside down, then fold it like this.
3 hours later.
Now with your own creativity, draw the puppet to make it beautiful. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye-bye! Bye-bye, see you later!